Welcome to Alam's One, and in English to English vocabulary section, the word for today is negotiate. Negotiate. Negotiate is a verb that means discuss the terms of an arrangement or be successful, achieve a goal. Talk or discuss in order to reach an agreement. Like we say, I will negotiate with them on my terms. He has negotiated all the hurdles successfully. So the meaning of the word negotiate is to discuss the terms of an arrangement. Talk in order to reach an agreement. If you have understood the word negotiate, then try making a sentence or two and write them in the comment section. That will give you a better practice. If you like this video, then please do share it for the benefit of others. If you want meaning and definition of any particular word, then write it in the comment section below, and soon a video will be made of that word. If you got any benefit from this video, then please like it and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good luck.